Alright, so today I've got the 2018 G case for Matchbox. Let's get right into it. First three. Blockade Buster. This one is definitely a re-release from 2014, I believe. Is when this originally came out. It looks the exact same. Number two, we got the Datsun 510 Rally. This one looks really good. I can see we got lots of little details there. Nice. Next we've got the 2005 ambulance. And that light bar has been cast into the windshield. And it looks like they removed the Ford logo. I don't know if it's really exactly a Ford, but looks like it. Oops. Up next we've got a National Parks model. Drill Digger. Nice. Next, the Duck Duck, the second version of this. Nice. And the 2015 BMW i3. I believe this is a new casting. What do I think of it? I think it looks kind of atrocious, but I do like this as a casting. I just think it doesn't look too good as a car, you know what I'm saying? But nonetheless, a good licensed vehicle. Next, we've got the Oshkosh M ATV. This is also a re-release, I believe, also from 2014, and it is in a plain desert camo, plain desert scheme rather. I think it's perfect. I love that it's just plain with nothing on it. Up next, we got two of the 2015 Subaru WRX police cars. These ones are the gold rims. There's a variant out there where the rims are white. I believe that is much more rare than the gold ones. Got another Oshkosh MATV. Two each of the 2015 Cadillac Escalade, a new casting in a gunmetal dark silver coloration. Excellent. Okay, here we go. This is one I was looking for. The 2000 Chevy Suburban in Boone County, Missouri Sheriff's Scheme. And they've done probably maybe 6 models from Boone County, Missouri. Read the story. A captain there is a collector, and he, I guess, was able to get them to produce a vehicle for his department. So excellent. Next, we got the 4x4 Scrambulance. I believe this one is a re-release. I'm not sure. Looks like I got some thought in there. What's that? See that? Like some burlap or something in there. Neat. I love when I get weird stuff in those, because I got a mosquito in a Matchbox car one time. Next, we have the Dune Dog. I like the coloration here, red on orange. And it looks kind of like a Toyota or Jeep, maybe, off-road vehicle. And it's got some stuff in the roof there. Nice. Next three, another. Okay, nice. Here we go. Two each of the Mazda CX-5, a new casting. This premiered in the last case, in which it had 3 each. So I know this one's going to be popular, and it sure is, because my father drives this exact car. And it's got some blue windows there. We'll open some of these up at the end, of course. Next, another good first edition, the 64 Ford Fairlane. I'm not a huge fan of the coloration they chose, but the casting is great. We will open this one at the end as well. Ooh, nice. Next, we got 2 each of the 2005, I guess? Okay, it's 2005, because I remember last time when this came out, the first edition said 2015, and then I don't know. I'm not too interested in Jeeps as vehicles, but I'm not sure if this was like a concept vehicle they scrapped or something, I guess. Next, we have the MBX Rescue 4x4 in an orange scheme. Nice. Yep, looks good. Last three. 2015 Chrysler 300 in the same gunmetal silver as the Cadillac with silver rims. Very good. Next, we have a Power Lift. This is 100% a re-release from like 10 years ago. It's in a 5-pack, came in a 5-pack. I don't remember the exact name of the pack, but this is for sure a re-release. However, that's definitely different. It was not WU construction, it was something else on the original. And the last model in the box, the Tuk Tuk, the second edition. It's like a motorized rickshaw. As you can see, it literally looks like a motorcycle with the people pimped out, essentially. So let's open it. Nice. This thing's great. I love it. Let's see what we got there. Oh yeah, what's that, like the tie? Cool. And it looks like the chassis is metal. And that's it, just the chassis. Let's check out that Fairlane. Nice, the body's metal on this one. Chrome looks good. Is there anything really on the inside there? Does not look like. Nice, very nice. Now let's check out a Mazda CX-5. Ooh, I love it. This one's perfect. This is an excellent model. Look at that. It's really not highly detailed. We got some front and rear lights. I love it. This one is in contention for my favorite. And let's also open the Chrysler 300. Ooh, this one looks really nice too. The windows are slightly tinted, and it goes really well with the coloration of this model. Front and rear details. And let's see what else should we open. Let's open a Subaru as well. People probably like these. I'm not a super big fan of them, but I am a big super fan of police cars. And it looks, ooh, we got some detailing on the hood as well. I believe that is Japanese. I believe that, yeah, it is Matchbox in Japanese, because you see the stylized square. And make sure you're keeping an eye out for the one with white rims. And this one does have a laptop inside of it. It's hard to see with this lighting and the windows, but that one does have a laptop. So people might probably want to see the BMW as well. Let's open that up. Yeah, again, I think this is an atrocious looking vehicle, but Matchbox, it's pretty good. It's got some blue trim on the grille there and some blue trim on the baseboard there and some rear detailing as well. And let's see what else is a good one people like. Oh, the Datsun, of course. First edition of this car is in orange. Now it is in this race rally deco. It's metal. The red part is. Let's see. Alright, the batch numbers are all either L10 or L11. Yeah, this one looks really nice. I think I like this one better than the first. And let's see. Oh yes, of course, the Cadillac Escalade. This one's also really nice. Wow. Pretty big. We got some third row seating. No, we don't. Okay, but yeah, that looks really nice. That looks really nice. Its body's metal, and this part right here, this chrome, is plastic. But that's the only chrome, like anywhere. The interior isn't chrome, so that must have been a little bit of engineering on Matchbox's part to have just the grill and not the base and interior. Alright, so that's pretty much going to do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and hopefully I'll start doing the case unboxings more frequently. So thank you guys very much for watching.